I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with you. I've had acne ever since I started college. I don't know if it's been stress or what, but okay, check this one out right here. Yo, not great. Look at all this right here. It's all from just dirt, just piling up, and then, you know, the scarring is just from not cleaning it, whatever. I hate whiteheads, like they're the worst. Scarring is one thing, whiteheads are the worst, and I picked this up off of Amazon, and hopefully it'll help me clean it. So I haven't partnered with this company. I partnered with some stuff in the past, but I'm just picking it up and I'm gonna try it for the first time. I don't know anything about this. So it's a visible acne cleaner. It's gonna make you my beauty life. That's cool, I guess. Here's some power specs if you're interested in that. It has a working time of 70 minutes. So is it battery powered? Oh, I think it might have a camera on it. I'm not 100% sure. So let's take it open. Ooh, all right. So inside of here, we have instructions. I'll read those so you don't have to. We have alcohol pads. For what reason? I don't know. We have a charging cable. Is it type C to type C? Please, it's type C to USB-A. So charging cable in here. This is the acne squeezer pen thing. Pop it open. It's this guy. So this is what's gonna help us like pull acne out, is what I'm assuming. That's how we get the gunk out, just like by pushing this down into the skin. I'm not sure what this button does. Maybe it's a light, maybe it's a, ow, it's a light. There's a camera in it. So maybe this turns it on and off. So chargeable at the back, USB type C. And then we just have a few more tools in here. These I know nothing about. So it looks like these are just some more tools that you can use if you wanted to clean your face. And they also have like little things at the end. So that is pretty much it. I'm gonna read the instructions and then I'm gonna go ahead and at least remove this dude down here. So it looks like there is an app. We can go ahead and download this guy. We can download an APK of the app. Once we got that installed right here, what you need to do is turn this on, so press and hold it. From there, we're just going to want to see the Wi-Fi, and we should be able to connect to it. UDU facial, we're gonna go with that guy. And it should connect in a second. Once it does, let's just go back here, and we'll say always connect. So we're connected. Ooh, and it changed to start up. Wow, that's pretty clear, y'all. Ooh, you could zoom in too, 1, 2, and 3 times. You can take a photo, a video, you can mirror it, shoot, whatever. I don't know what this is though. Oh, and you could take pictures and video. Cool. Whoa, wait, what the heck? Oh, you can see the phone camera. I'm gonna wanna clean this tip, but let's go here. See if I can spot it. That's all my facial hair. Oh, I see it. I see it right there, y'all. I think we're definitely gonna have to mirror it though. So let's change it. And now it's a bit more accurate. Yep, I see it right there, y'all. So I'm gonna use this guy when I get out of the shower and we'll see how it does. For the head, to take it off, you just twist it and then pull it off, just like that. And now I'm actually gonna put it in my little UV disinfectant thing. It has a basket right here. I'll have this in the description below because it's pretty cool. All you do, put some water in it. You can see that the little guy is in there. And then we just press this once for a simple clean, twice for a deep clean. And so it'll be in there, just getting clean. Just showered, just washed this guy off. And now let's try and do this. Honestly, you don't need the light in the camera as long as you have a mirror. It's like the most important thing. So I'm gonna try go around here. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I'm definitely marking it. Okay, so kind of push down and pull. This probably ensures that you're getting like a lot out of it. It's pretty nasty. Focus, you'd see that we got quite a bit, yeah, we got quite a bit out. It's like yellow, white, and then a little bit of blood in there. It's not gonna focus, but just trust me, we got some out. I'm just gonna keep going at it. Oh, that light is helpful though, for sure. Yep, I got some more out. So I think that's pretty solid. Honestly, I think this is pretty cool. Now I'm gonna hit it with some toner and a pad just to wipe off, clean up a little bit, and I'll catch you up in a second. So I put some pimple patches on, and other than that, I think I prefer my hands because they're just a little bit more precise. Maybe I should try using the other tools though. Because it did come with all of these, and these look a little bit more precise, whether it be a pick or a scoop or whatever have you. So might want to try one of these out, but honestly the picking ones look a little scary. They're just Just needles going in your face. I don't know. But what I want to know is what you think. So if you use something like this, or you know, the actual thing that we were doing a second ago, let me know in the comments below. If you use something else or anything else to help with your acne, let me know, because I could definitely use it. I would appreciate it in the comments below. Thanks for watching and opening that with me and trying it. I don't know if I would recommend it, but I don't know if I would recommend against it. I would say it's not necessary.